Hey, have you heard about AWS CloudTrail?
Yes, I have. It's a robust audit trail for all API activities in AWS.
That's right. It's essential to enable CloudTrail as the first step in securing your AWS environment, right?
Definitely. Upon creating a new AWS account, CloudTrail is not enabled by default. It's essential to confirm CloudTrail activation in existing AWS accounts.
Why is CloudTrail important for security?
CloudTrail plays a crucial role in meeting regulatory requirements for logging in regulated industries. It also maintains logs in Amazon S3 for an extended period and helps identify security anomalies and elevated risk security events.
How can we configure CloudTrail for S3 buckets?
We can store Amazon S3 data event logs in an S3 bucket of our choice and create a CloudTrail trail for S3 buckets. We can configure CloudTrail data events for objects in an S3 bucket using either the AWS CloudTrail or Amazon S3 console.
What are the benefits of using a separate AWS account for storing CloudTrail logs?
Using a separate AWS account allows for better organization of events from multiple buckets. AWS organizations can be used for creating linked AWS accounts.
How can we enable and disable CloudTrail data events logging for objects in an S3 bucket?
We can enable object-level logging through the AWS CloudTrail or Amazon S3 console. We can disable object-level logging by removing the bucket name from the trail's data events.
That's very informative. Thanks for sharing all that information about AWS CloudTrail.
You're welcome. By understanding the importance of AWS CloudTrail and configuring data events for S3 buckets, we can significantly strengthen our account security.